Hey guys! Are you thinking about becoming our bonds agent? Well, here's a video explaining how to do just that. But before we do so, it's best to know who Bonds Philippines is so you can get started. Bonds.com is an online platform that offers a blend of top-notch casino games, rewarding promotions, and first-rate customer service. We provide various promotions and bonuses for our players, such as free bets in Sportsbook, live casino vouchers, and free spins. We also have a VIP loyalty program and offer cashback up to 20% for our players. Now that you know a few things about us, it's now time to teach you how to be an official Bonds Philippines agent. We basically have two methods. Here is the first. Go to bonds.partner to start registering an account. Create a username and password, then enter your email address, first name, last name, and phone number. Under Traffic Resources, put offline. Accept the terms and conditions and data protection policy, then click Join Now. Send an email to philippines@bonds.com and provide your username to activate your agent account. Once your account is activated, log into your account and go to Create Tracking Link. Select your CPA program type, then click Next. Select Direct Link, then click Next. Select Registration Form, then click Get Code. Wait for the pop-up box, then select Philippines. Click on the notebook icon to copy your tracking link, then click Save. You may now invite players to bonds.com by using your tracking link and start earning commission. As an agent, you will be compensated for every player you introduce. The compensation is determined by the CPA or cost per acquisition model. For instance, under the CPA 10 to 40 program, if a player you invite deposits 600 pesos, you earn around 2,000 pesos as commission. To earn a commission, the player you invite must meet the deposit criteria set by your specific CPA program. Ensure that no two players share the same IP address, device, or personal information. Commissions are disbursed during the first week of the subsequent month and will be transferred to your designated e-wallet. It's crucial that players use your unique tracking link to register. Only then will they be associated with your agent account, ensuring you receive the appropriate commission. Always adhere to these guidelines to ensure a smooth and profitable agent experience. Now, let's go to method 2. Email philippines@bonds.com and provide us with the following details: username, email address, phone number, first and last name. We will create your agent account and send you your login credentials, and that's it. Remember to follow our guidelines carefully, and you will be an amazing Bonds agent. We are ecstatic to have you on board. Visit bonds.com and bet on sports now.